All right, I'm excited to be unboxing the very popular and very unique BISSELL CrossWave. It's kind of a floor vacuum and mop at the same time. It can pick up large debris. It can pick up big spills with lots of debris in it. I'm really interested for a lot of tests, and I'm going to do a ton of tests with the BISSELL CrossWave and see all kinds of stuff that it can do. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. New videos should be out in the next few weeks. Alright, so nothing exciting at first, just some papers. Looks like the multi-surface cleaner. I'll be interested to see if I can find a way to get around using that cleaner. I don't really like to have to buy material. Alright, we have the handle. Seems like a pretty good construction. Aluminum down here, plastic seems sturdy. Buttons seem okay. We'll see how that works when it's all set up. This, I believe, is the base. You kind of put this somewhere and that you want to store the unit, and it can set on top of that. All right, so there is the unit. Let's take a look at that brush roll. So it's got a soft brush. It looks like the brush is soft, but it's intermingled with these harder bristles that you'd see on a normal kind of brush roll. So it's a very unique design. First, putting this unit down. Looks like it just clicks on there. And the handle looks like it would go. It's got a little button here that I'm assuming push to get it to go down, and it clicks right into place like that. Alright, so after reading the instructions, I found out the first thing to do is to pull this out. What you want to do is unscrew this. You're going to fill the water up to, if this is a small area and a large area, so let's say you're doing a large area, fill water up to here, and formula that comes with it up to there. Screw the cap back on, and then you probably want to screw that on pretty tight, and then snap it back into the machine. Alright, so here, there's a trigger underneath here. You choose either rug or hard floor. Now we're going to choose hard floor, and it says to press the trigger underneath here for 10 seconds to prime the flow. Since BISSELL says you don't really need to vacuum a hard floor area before you do this, it has the potential to save a step of vacuuming and then mopping. So like I said, we're going to put this through all kinds of tests to see what it really can do and to see if it really is as great as it sounds. So be sure to subscribe for future videos on the BISSELL CrossWave. Thanks for watching.